Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing today? It's a lovely day, isn't it? I'm glad it's not raining today. But yeah, the weather seems to be very beautiful and I'm very much excited for this vlog today. Okay, here's my bike. Let's have a look. She looks really beautiful, isn't she? Okay, so today's vlog is going to be about my new exhaust installation. That is the Globe Exploder. I'll show you the exhaust. I hope you guys have seen the unboxing. But yeah, this is pretty much okay. So yes, this is the exhaust. As you can see, the Globe exhaust, and the specific model name is Globe Exploder. So today I'm going to install this fat boy and this beauty, and I'll show you the complete installation. Right, I'll show you the complete installation. How am I going to install? So pretty much the exhaust as of now, that's the stock exhaust that the Goan Classic has, is actually right. So the stock exhaust that the Goan has, the ones they have manufactured and the ones they have installed in the specific model. तो ये वाला जो है ये स्लैश कट एग्जॉस्ट है, and I'll show you how exactly it sounds. Let me just on the bike. Stock sound है. अभी I'll just go ahead and install the new exhaust, and yeah, one of our friends is here. He's going to help me out in this installation today, and I'll show you everything that टेन पाइप निकालने के बाद, एक बार एग्जॉस्ट निकालने के बाद भी क्या साउंड आएगा तो ये बताऊँगा. फिर एग्जॉस्ट लगाने के बाद भी कैसे साउंड आता है, कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है. इधर ही लगाना अपने को. ये पूरा खोलना पड़ेगा.
ये इसके ऊपर लगेगा.
हाँ, ये निकालना पड़ेगा अपने को. ये दो स्क्रू खुले, ये
हाँ.
क्लैम्प खुल गया, यहाँ से निकल गया एग्जॉस्ट, वो वहाँ से खींचेंगे तो निकल जाएगा. हाँ, दिस इज़ द डीबी किलर विच आई शो यू. डीबी किलर में भी कैसे साउंड आता है लगाने के बाद और नहीं लगाने के बाद भी. सो आई जस्ट क्विकली स्टार्ट विद द इंस्टॉलेशन. शो यू गाइस. ये इसका क्लैम्प है, मतलब ये क्लैम्प में ये क्लैम्प, ये जो है ना, ये
ओके साइड
पे लगा.
Yeah, falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my sins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you. Or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. Cause this is love at first sight, there's no doubt in my mind. And darling, forget about the time, cause you're mine. And I'll spend every second chilling with you. Like this, that vintage Nickelodeon innocence love. Innocence the type of if we fight, let's chill and make up. You're one in a million pay stubs, but to me you're like a lottery. There's a lot of fish in the sea, but you're a catch that's so startling. Baby, I know that there's a lot to do, it's awful too. And in your past there's a lot to chew. I'll buckle up, like your burden's a weight to carry, but it lessens at a steady rate.
So I guess I'll be needing a help because इसका जो ये तरफ का नट है, actually this is not opening, and Royal Enfield के टूल बॉक्स में there's no secondary holder या फिर दूसरा पाना नहीं है जिसके वजह से I can just hold that thing and it's getting difficult for me to open. And we tried a lot, but I guess I'll need a help, so I'll just take the exhaust and try to fit it by someone else and see. I'll show you guys how it goes on. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so finally the one garage, mostly I do the repairs and everything, like repairs as in like the small basic modifications. So that shop is closed, so I just came to another guy and asked him to fix this thing. So probably he's gonna do all of that.
Shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, the shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on a gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay. Turning this shit to a brand, it was a part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business, building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness, dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time, y'all been stuck on the sideline. Every day I've been rising up, see you niggas on decline. Blowing up like a landmine, your career need a lifeline. Work ethic ain't like mine, pray to God start seeing signs. Try to pull up in the I-8, you wanna ride but it's too late.
So let me just make you how it sounds. तो अभी एग्जॉस्ट तो लग गया है अभी फिलहाल आई जस्ट कीप इट आइडल फॉर लाइक अराउंड 10 minutes and let the ECU do the tuning part and everything. So better है कि इसको 10-15 मिनट तक छोड़ दें. And yeah, again just for you guys I'll just show you one second how it sounds. This is how it will sound with the DJI. वो बुलेट लेने आवाज ही नहीं है भाई. साइलेंट है ना. साउंड This is with the DJI.